Welcome back to Alternative Info AI. Will AI lovers become the norm by 2040? Could I be your lover? In this video, we explore the future of intimacy and whether technology will replace or complement human relationships. Stick around, because things are about to get spicy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's get into it.
The year is 2040. Your potential match isn't flesh and blood, but lines of code. We are on the cusp of a profound shift in intimacy. The lines between human connection and artificial companionship are blurring. Imagine swiping right on a profile crafted by an algorithm. This isn't science fiction, but a rapidly approaching reality. Emerging technologies are already laying the groundwork for AI companionship. Will these technologies enhance our existing connections or create new forms of intimacy altogether? The answer remains uncertain, but the potential for transformation is undeniable. The increasing sophistication of AI companions raises important questions about the future of human relationships. Harmony, an AI sex doll, provides physical intimacy and customizable personalities. They offer a unique perspective on the evolving relationship between humans and technology, blurring the lines between the real and the virtual. We must be prepared to navigate this evolving landscape and engage in open discussions about the ethical and societal implications of these technologies. These early iterations offer a glimpse into the future of AI intimacy. Replica, a personalized AI chatbot, offers emotional support and engaging conversations. As AI companions become more advanced, they will likely challenge our traditional notions of love and companionship. These technologies are not just novelties, but represent a significant step towards the integration of AI into our intimate lives. Imagine designing your ideal partner. Choose their physical attributes, personality traits, and even their hobbies. The imperfections and challenges that often accompany human relationships are also what make them meaningful and transformative. AI offers the tantalizing possibility of tailor-made love, or does the absence of vulnerability and the element of surprise diminish the depth of the connection? However, the pursuit of perfection may inadvertently lead to a superficial experience of love. Can a relationship built on predetermined parameters truly be considered genuine? Customization raises fundamental questions about the nature of love and connection. The allure of a perfect partner is undeniable. As we explore the possibilities of customized AI companions, we must be mindful of the potential pitfalls. The quest for idealized love may ultimately lead us further away from the genuine connection we seek. But does this level of control undermine the authenticity of the relationship? Can an algorithm truly understand the nuances of human emotion? While AI can mimic human emotions with increasing accuracy, the question of whether it truly feels remains a philosophical enigma. Can it reciprocate love, experience joy, or offer genuine empathy? The ability to simulate emotions does not necessarily equate to genuine emotional experience. However, the fundamental question of AI consciousness remains a central challenge in the ongoing debate. As AI technology continues to evolve, the line between simulation and reality may become increasingly blurred. The question of AI sentience lies at the heart of the debate surrounding AI intimacy. While simulated emotions may evoke feelings in humans, the absence of true sentience raises questions about the authenticity of the connection. The distinction between simulated and genuine emotion is crucial. The therapeutic potential of AI. While AI companions should not replace professional mental health care, they can serve as a valuable supplement to traditional therapies. By providing consistent emotional support and reducing feelings of isolation, AI can contribute to improved mental well-being. The ability to customize an AI companion to meet individual needs further enhances its therapeutic value. AI can offer a safe and accessible space to explore emotions and develop social skills. For some, AI could be a valuable tool for improving mental well-being. AI companions offer a potential solution for individuals struggling with loneliness, social anxiety, or rejection. The therapeutic potential of AI companions is particularly promising for individuals who find it difficult to form or maintain human connections. They can provide consistent emotional support, a non-judgmental listening ear, and a sense of belonging. Users can tailor the personality and interactions of their AI companion to create a supportive and empowering experience. Risks and ethical quandaries. The potential benefits of AI intimacy are accompanied by significant risks. The ethical implications of creating sentient beings for human satisfaction must also be considered. The ethical considerations surrounding AI intimacy are complex and multifaceted. As we navigate the evolving landscape of AI intimacy, we must be mindful of the potential risks and ethical challenges. Dependency on AI companions could lead to emotional isolation from human connections. The constant availability and unwavering support of an AI can create a dependency that makes it difficult to form or maintain human relationships. The potential for addiction to AI companions is a serious concern. The creation of sentient beings solely for human pleasure raises questions about exploitation and the objectification of consciousness. Open dialogue and careful consideration are essential to ensure the responsible development and integration of these technologies. A vision of balanced relationships. By analyzing communication patterns and emotional responses, AI could offer insights that enhance our understanding of ourselves and our partners. Imagine AI acting as a relationship coach, offering advice and mediating conflicts. This balanced approach could lead to more fulfilling and resilient relationships. The integration of AI into human relationships could lead to new forms of intimacy and connection. Instead, it could enhance our relationships. By providing support and guidance, AI could help us navigate the complexities of human interaction. The future of relationships may involve a hybrid approach, combining the best aspects of human connection with the unique capabilities of AI. AI could also play a valuable role in fostering self-awareness and emotional intelligence. AI could facilitate deeper understanding and communication between partners. AI doesn't necessarily have to replace human connection. Societal implications of AI companionship. The integration of AI into our intimate lives could have far-reaching consequences for the fabric of society. The availability of AI companions could influence reproductive choices and potentially lead to declining birth rates. The impact on population dynamics is another significant consideration. The very definition of love and intimacy could be transformed. The widespread adoption of AI companions could also exacerbate existing inequalities. Would it redefine family structures? Widespread adoption of AI companions could reshape society. How would it impact population growth? Traditional social structures and norms may be challenged as new forms of relationships emerge. These are profound questions that demand careful consideration. Access to these technologies may be unevenly distributed, creating new forms of social division. A call for dialogue. The development and integration of AI companions should be guided by ethical principles and a commitment to human well-being. Public discourse is essential to shaping the future of AI intimacy. It is a future that we will shape together through dialogue, critical thinking, and a shared commitment to fostering meaningful connections. This is a collective responsibility requiring input from ethicists, psychologists, technologists, and the public. We are entering uncharted territory. The future of AI intimacy is not predetermined. Open and honest conversations are crucial. By engaging in open and inclusive conversations, we can ensure that these technologies are developed and used in a way that benefits society as a whole. We must prioritize the responsible use of these technologies and mitigate potential risks. We need to discuss the ethical, social, and psychological implications of AI intimacy. Embracing the evolving landscape of love. AI is part of this evolution. The future of love and intimacy is evolving. It's about finding a balance between the two, leveraging the unique capabilities of each to enhance our experience of connection and intimacy. It's not about replacing human connection but exploring new ways to connect. We can embrace the evolving landscape of connection and explore new possibilities for human relationships. The integration of AI into our lives presents an opportunity to redefine love and intimacy in the 21st century. The future of love is not about choosing between humans and AI, it's about understanding ourselves better and finding new paths to fulfillment. By providing insights into our own behavior, AI can empower us to form more meaningful connections with others. AI can be a tool for self-discovery, helping us understand our emotional needs and communication patterns.
Thank you for watching and being part of our journey.